Alright, fire's going good now, despite that rain that's coming in from Kansas. It drizzled for a minute here, but it's pretty much stopped and it's perfect now with a little drizzle here and there. But sitting by a big fire like this, I don't have to worry so much about it. So anyway, I'm up here at Poozy Wildlife Area and going to do some fishing in the morning, and hopefully it's not a washout. But right now it's just drizzling and got a nice fire going. Got a $4 steak for dinner, and I'm just chilling.